We're out here today moving some rocks for my Aunt Judy. These damn things are as big as the machine. Bigger than a car hood at least. Biggest rock I've ever moved with this little machine right there. Little quick project we're doing today. Move some massive rocks. When we first got here, there was a pond here. Finally got it where I could got the dam dug down far enough where I could drain the rest of the water out of it. Where it's cut down to right there is about 5 feet tall. This little pond was probably 16 by 20. And finally got the dam cut down. This thing has never held water. You can see the plastic liner they tried to put in it. Whenever this thing was dug and the dam was built, they didn't put in a keyway, and I found big stumps and roots in the dam, and just somebody tried to do a quick little process and didn't ever hold water. Right here where the machine's sitting, I've been getting my buckets of dirt out of the dam and then dumping them here and back dragging them and pulling all the rocks out of the dirt. That way we got a big pile of clean topsoil. And when I get done digging all around through here, I don't just have a huge pile of rocks that I'm trying to do something with. Just kind of get rid of them as I'm removing the dam, and it gives me good topsoil to fill everything back in as well. On this side, it's probably at the top 2 feet, and right here in front of me about 3 feet that has to go down. And of course right here where the dam actually was, it's 5-6 feet tall. I got Harley and Jeff out front putting a new roof over their deck. They was having some water issues. But we've been working here for about, it might be 2 hours now. Probably got another hour and a half or something, and be putting the machine back on the trailer. We got 3 stops to do today. We usually have multiple stops every day, but it's Friday, so we're going to try to get home early today. But a little bit about what we're doing today: fixing a roof, moving boulders, filling in a pond. This little machine is a beast. Even when we get another one, I think this one's just going to stay in the barn for a backup. There was a huge pile of rocks right here. Got all of them moved. Of course, you know, we got roots to pick up. We need to go over it. We'll hit it with a rake and seed and straw. But homeowner wants to do that, try to save a little bit of money. So that's fine. Then down here where we had our pond, all the big rocks that was up the hill there. I put those in the pond first. Made them a good level place down here at the bottom. Most of this yard is so steep. They don't have any level areas. So instead of just making a steady slope the whole way, I talked to them. They decided to just keep it. This grade coming down here is the same all the way down, and it flattens out about 2 feet above the chicken. And then the rest of this, we didn't shoot it with a transit, but it's within 3 or 4 inches. We're not putting a house on it or anything. We're just gonna seed and straw it and mow it. So you can see how much I had to build it up right there. You know, you got almost 2 feet of fill right there. It made a good level area. Of course, not perfectly level, but they probably have a 30 by 40 that's a usable spot now. Alright, we're loading up the truck, skid steer, and guys got the roof replaced on the lean tube over the deck out front. And we're on to the next one.